most people who remove carbohydrates from their diet at 6 p.m. in 30 days literally lose anywhere from 6 to 8, sometimes even 10% of body fat, right? Because again, and I'll add something else to that. Our bodies are not meant to be eating anything at sleep. Mm-hmm. You are supposed to literally go to sleep 3 hours after your last meal. Now, again, this is all based on circadian rhythm. It's all based on the cycles of the sun, blue light, the light that obviously comes up in the morning from red light, from early morning sun. So if you're laying there at 11 o'clock at night and you're a dude that just piled on, like a lot of these guys do this one meal a day thing, right?
Yeah.
And they eat at 9:30. They have fasted all day and they just ate 2,500 calories in one sitting at 9:30 and they go to bed an hour later. You're not sleeping. Your body is going through massive digestive disturbances, attempting to, emulsify and break down the food that you just ate. So if you really want to get dialed in, you stop carbohydrates at 6. And if you go to bed at 10:30, you're done eating by 7:30. You go to bed at 11, there's no food in your mouth at 8 o'clock. That's it. So, if you start observing that, I would just throw in the other thing that I would throw in, obviously, we're not talking supplements or drugs, which I could go really deep on, but just fast. Pick 2 days out a week where you, don't eat for 18 hours. A lot of people, and this is geeky, but a lot of people are being told that, fasting is just not eating for 14 or 16 hours. And truthfully, if you're obese and you don't eat for 14 or 16 hours, yes, you'll see late weight loss. But actual fasting from a science standpoint is not until autophagy and hormesis is occurring.
Okay.
And autophagy and hormesis is occurring in all the studies at 18 hours.
Okay.
So if you don't eat for 18 hours and you do that a couple of days a week, that's going to massively improve your immune system. It's going to dramatically upregulate your mitochondrial function, which obviously, your mitochondria, the more functioning they are. That's why I'm drinking deuterium depleted water. Ken can add to that. But the stronger your mitochondria, functioning as you age, the longer you're going to live. The better your cells are going to replicate, extend your telomeres, and obviously get rid of all the free oxyradical gunk that builds up in your system. So like step 1, don't eat carbs at 6 o'clock. Step 2, absolutely positively give yourself 3 hours before you go to sleep. And then step 3 would 2 days a week, do not eat for 18 hours.